In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Deriv to Skrill. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Deriv app, and then you want to of course go to the withdrawal page and you want to basically make them send you an email. And after you do that, it will just say on the screen, send an email. They will send you an email. You will have to check it out. And when you open up your email, this is what it's going to say. You will have to click on yes, it's me, or this link down below in case the button doesn't work. Now, in case you don't see your email, what you can do is check your spam folder, but if it's not in there either, you can just click on didn't receive the email and they will send you another one. Now, after you do this and after you confirm it, you'll be able to see this page over here where you'll be able to see your current balance, your pending payouts, as well as your available balance. What you have to do here is just enter in your withdrawal amount, so however much you want to withdraw, and then you want to select Skrill at the bottom. So under payment method, you want to click on Skrill. After you do this, then what you'll see is another withdrawal page where you can see it's set as Skrill, and then you can see the processing fee, how much you basically requested to withdraw, and then over here you'll have to put in your Skrill email account. And after you do that, of course, you can put in some comments or instructions if you want to, but that's not necessary. And when you're happy with everything over here and all the info is correct, you can click on request payout, and after that you will see your payout request confirmation. They will thank you, and you can see all the details over here, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.